I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bubble messenger. We'll start by understanding the basic architecture required for a real-time messaging application. You will learn about the essential components that work together to send and receive messages instantly. This includes setting up a robust backend and a responsive front-end. Our goal is to provide a clear, step-by-step overview, enabling you to grasp the core concepts and begin building your own interactive communication platform. To build a bubble messenger, you need three main components. First, a backend server manages all the logic, including user accounts and message delivery. Second, a database stores all your chat data, ensuring messages are persistent and accessible. Third, a front-end application, often built with a framework like React or Vue, provides the visual interface. These three parts work together seamlessly to create a functional and interactive messaging experience for your users. The heart of a bubble messenger is real-time communication, typically achieved using WebSockets. Unlike traditional HTTP requests, WebSockets maintain an open connection, allowing instant data exchange. When a user sends a message, it travels through this persistent connection to the server. The server then broadcasts it to all other participants in that chat, ensuring everyone sees new messages within milliseconds. This continuous flow of information is crucial for a smooth and responsive chat experience. For the user interface, focus on creating clear, distinct message bubbles that are easy to read. Consider different bubble styles for sent and received messages to improve visual clarity. Once your application is developed, deploying it to a cloud platform like AWS, Google Cloud, or Heroku is essential. This makes your messenger accessible to users worldwide and ensures it can handle a growing number of concurrent connections, providing a reliable service around the clock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.